Today's review is the messerschmitt me262a-2a. It's from Airfix, 172 scale. Nice bit of box art. I believe it's meant to be doing a bombing run on the American convoy. There you go, American convoy that's just coming through there. Looks like there's two decal options. We'll go to this side of the box. We've got the fish model design and tooling is 2017. Decal schemes and pack design 2019. Usual on that side. This side, yep, there's your two schemes, and it's telling you one from 1944, the top one, one's from 1945, the bottom one. A little bit of detail about the kit. You've got the length, width and pieces, which is 148 length, 174 width and 74 pieces. One flying hour, skill level 2, just explaining what you need, paints and glues and that, if you want to paint it them colours. So, it's about that. Oh, oops, show you first. It does state the cartograph decals. They're all cartograph decals, all these new kits anyway, but just to show you. So open her up. We've got one bag of sprues. Looks like the clear parts are in that. Instruction sheet. That's it. We'll put the sprues to the side first. We'll do the instruction sheet, and there's your decals. We'll put them to one side and do them in a second. Instruction sheet, bit about the actual kit, usual length, specifications. They're in different languages, so it's quite a lot on there, but really it's only one part, depends on where you're from, that you need to know. Assembly instructions, bit of a warnings on here, telling you what you need to be wary of, question marks and stuff. First off, we've got the usual cockpit build first. There's your seat into the areas, and as you can see, you're steadily building your cockpit up until either you're putting your figure in then or not. Obviously you've got to put it in then if you want it in, otherwise you might not get it in. It's a little bit different how to build these to what normally is, so telling you to drill some holes if you want to do certain things with it. Or you probably have to drill them, to be honest with you, because they're probably for the actual engines. We've got assembling the actual centre bit of the main piece, adding wings, again adding some more bits. Your tail pieces. Believe these are engines now, bit there. Very basic, very easy to follow instructions. Again, engines going on. Undercarriage if you're having it up or down. Again, more undercarriage details. We've got nearly two complete full pages there just for undercarriage. And then we've got cockpit open or closed. And there's your pieces that you can use. And then we've got the actual paint schemes and some of the decals. As you can see, the decals are in a coloured box. Paint schemes are just the numbers at the side. That's one. There's the second one. There's the second one. Probably looks a bit nice that with that blue and red, but they're all set. Oh, yep. Better not forget that. That's for all of them. All of them have them decals, because these are your warning decals and stuff like that. So you have to put that on both of the actual aircraft. So there you go, quick one for instructions. We'll do decals now, and nice fine decals, cartographs. You don't feel a lot with them, and it looks like you've got one set there, possibly the other set is there. Yeah, A and B, different ones. They're your ones that are going on them all. And hope you can see, there's the cockpit details, As you can see, there's a lot of really little tiny decals. Some of them, I'll be honest with you, struggle to get on them. But if you try and you do it, it's always a bit of a bonus. So there's decals. Next up is your bag of sprues. We'll start with the big one first, and looking very good indeed. Spin it around because it's meant to be that way. So we've got a pilot, and he looks good. Looks like he's got a heck of a big nose, like. Can we get that focused in? Will she have it? Oh no, she's not looking like it. Let's see if we can get it on my hand or something. Sometimes it will. Behind that. No, she's not doing it. Camera's not happy. Oh, it is. There she goes. Finally. There you go. That's looks like he's got one heck of a big nose on there, doesn't he? Right. Other parts. Lots of tiny fine detail, like engine parts here. Loads of fine. Plastic's very nice. Feels good. Nice light grey. Seats look well. Or the seat looks well. You can see there's even a little bit of detail there that's for at the side of the pilot in the cockpit. Yeah, all looks good. Got some rivets there. I wouldn't have said it's massively over the top like, but it's pretty good. In all honesty, it's better than the one I've already done. That is for sure. It's a lot better than that one. You can see we're just looking at it. Again, a little bit of flash on that bit. You can see on that one as well. A little bit on that. Probably not just seated 100% right when they did it. Nice feeling. Nice detail on them. Couple more bombs. Looks like ammunition. Don't often see that either. I believe it's ammunition, looks like it. Which is quite nice for it. Last but not least, your main section, and looks very crisp. Very nice. And there's a bit of detail on the inside. If you want to do washes and that, it does help pop them out. There's more of your cockpit there. The sprues look well. In fact, the whole kit up to now is looking really well. Put that to one side, and we'll go for it last, which is just your clear parts. 3 parts. A little bit of flash on that one, but none of this. Don't worry over flash. Flash means no. We've got, looks well, nice and clean. No markings. They look good. Look really good. And that's frame D, but yeah, you know it's the clear parts. Yeah, they all look good on that. See if I can get it. There you go. Lovely. Right. Nice, quick. I'm going to build that one next. So, thanks for watching. Hope that you're, if you're thinking about getting an me262, this has helped you decide whether you're going to buy the Airfix one or not. But personally, it's better than the other one I did. I believe that was Revel. I think I'd have to have a look again. But this one's the better one of the one I did earlier this year. But if you look, you'll see I've got a video up on it. And it was a nice enough kit. It just seems to be a lot more detail and a lot better quality on this one. Thanks for watching. I'm grateful if you give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you on the next one.